Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the sound of your videos or your music when you're on your PlayStation 5. Now, if you're listening to like Spotify or something through the music application right here, now you can easily increase the sound by going on over to where it says sound right here and selecting this. Then scroll on down to where it says media volume. Then you have a slider for the music right here. Now, sometimes in the past, my video has been all the way down, so I try to watch my gameplay clips or something through the share menu right here, and just go ahead and increase them through that slider, and you'll actually get audio in your clips now. But that's very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.